Welcome back to my channel with a new video. WTO Young Professionals Program 2026 in Switzerland fully funded. Applications are open for the WTO Young Professionals Program 2026 in Geneva, Switzerland. This fully funded one-year training program will give professionals hands-on experience about the WTO and international trade issues. WTO stands for the World Trade Organization. All selected fellows will work at the WTO Secretariat in Geneva, Switzerland. The selected professionals will be given a salary of CHF for 1,000 medical cover and travel costs. The WTO YPP is set to start in January 2026. There is no application fee, and candidates from the WTO member countries are eligible to apply. The purpose of the program is to gain knowledge about international trade rules, details about the WTO 2026 requirements, financial benefits, and the application process, so stay tuned and watch till end. Details about WTO Young Professionals Program 2026 in Switzerland. Host country, Switzerland. Location, WTO office, Geneva. Duration, 1 year. Benefits, fully funded. Deadline, the 21st of April 2025. Financial benefits, the program covers. Monthly salary of CHF for 1,000, medical coverage, travel cost. Areas of work, the program provides a 1-year, non-extendable opportunity to gain practical experience at the WTO. Applicants can indicate up to 3 preferred areas of WTO work ranked in order of preference. The areas of work may include accessions, agriculture, dispute settlement, intellectual property rights, government procurement GPA, competition policy, market access, rules, trade and development, trade and environment, trade in services and investment, trade facilitation, trade policy analysis, and trade-related technical assistance. Eligibility criteria: be a national of a WTO member state. The list of members is available here. Education: possess an advanced university degree in law or economics. All other international trade-related subjects relevant to WTO work. Experience: minimum of 2 years of relevant professional experience. Language: fluent in English. Age: must not exceed 32 years. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos.